Hello, today I will show you how to use Klaviyo for email marketing. Before start the main video, I want to tell you what is Klaviyo. Well, Klaviyo is a marketing automation platform that specializes in email and SMS marketing, mainly for e-commerce businesses. So let's start the main video. First, open your web browser and go to Shopify. Now click on App section. Next click on Customize your shop. Now search Klaviyo and click on Klaviyo. Then click on Add App. Now fill your brand information and click Continue. Now design your email template and click on Continue. Now let's talk about Klaviyo. Klaviyo helps businesses grow by using customer data to create personalized email and SMS marketing campaigns. It allows you to segment audiences based on behavior, purchases, and preferences, so messages feel more relevant and timely. With powerful automation, detailed analytics, and easy integration with e-commerce platforms, Klaviyo helps increase customer engagement, improve retention, and drive more sales through data-driven marketing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.